and welcome to my next video. Today we're gonna do this look. It's kind of a MOSCHINO special, if you will. I use their mask and their really amazing eyeshadow palette, which I created this look with. If you want to find out how I did it, keep watching. I have a selection of sheet masks. But we're gonna use this one. So this is a moisturizing honey mask, and I can smell the honey, and I definitely need some moisture. So we're gonna let that sit for 15-ish minutes while I do my hair. So I like to put the hairspray in on my hair before. To really give it a chance to stick to my hair. My hair is very fine and it doesn't style easily, so I always have to put some product in before. So I took half of one side and I sprayed it, and then I go towards the back so you can still swirl it in. No need to be at the top of the hair, just like close. Okay, so that's my hair. I like to do that while I'm getting my face and skin prepped. That's been about 15 minutes now. And now we can take off the mask. My skin feels so soft under this, I kind of don't even want to take it off. I love the feeling of a sheet mask. I love to really rub it in. So while I'm waiting for this to continue to absorb, I want to talk about what I'm going to use today. Staying on theme with my little laptop here, I've got all these colors that I can't wait to get in. I don't even know what I'm going to use today, but we're going to have fun with this palette. I'm so excited. Okay, let's take this mask off. Okay, I'm just gonna add some typical skincare on top of that. That's like a serum, so let's do the eye cream. I hurt my wrist and I can't fan with my right hand as simply as I used to be able to. So now that that's dry, I'm gonna use an oil today. I'm gonna use this one. So this is great for giving you a nice glow, especially when the weather is terrible and your skin is super dry. What does it have? It's full of rich antioxidants and superfood seed oils, which just really make you glow. And this oil doesn't move makeup, it will actually sit and get into the skin. It's not a mineral oil, it's a plant oil, and those fit into your pores, which many people may not know, so fun fact. Sticking to the theme of repair, I'm gonna use this Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. So First Aid Beauty is a new brand to me, but everybody that I follow who preaches about skincare loves this. I don't have sensitive skin, so I'm kind of testing it out for no reason. No, that's not true. I just want to see how good it is. I want to try their mask. I want to try the mask of this line because it's very soft and can be really good for sensitive people. There's also like no scent. I can still smell my oils. Oh my god! If you've never used a beauty blender, what you do is you wet it, and then you put your foundation on it. Today's foundation, so a beauty blender is like, it's supposed to be like an airbrush. I listened to a really interesting podcast on the lady who invented Beauty Blender. I'll link it below actually if anybody's interested. It's part of the Second Life series, and I'm always so inspired by those women, so check it out. Okay, so that's it for foundation for now. I'll probably go in with some more after I make a mess, but let's see what we're gonna do with the eyes. Once again, the palette. I think I'm gonna do from this line here, the purples and the blues. Okay, so I've matched the eyes. I can still fix it up a little bit. I'm gonna add a bit more, just a little tiny bit more of that dark purple here. Today for my brows, I'm actually gonna do something different. I'm gonna use this. This is from Lime Crime. I'm always on mascara samples. I'm gonna use this little highlighter from Milk. It's great. I just dot it along my face like so, or if it's been really cold, which it has been near my makeup, you can go with your finger. being inspired by this blue purple. I think I'm gonna use the Crazy Highlighter palettes from Fenty. Focus on this section here. I should probably not film in a tube top since this crop just makes me look naked. And I think that's the look. I really enjoyed using the colors from that palette. They were so creamy and like you saw the pigment payoff. That was really satisfying. I will be keeping that palette. I'll be creating a billion looks with it.